Hi guys, it's me Jackson, and I just got my first collab with Chitu Systems, and they sent me their PlateCycler C1M auto printing assistance kit for the A1 Mini, and I think it's amazing. And when I installed it, I forgot to record a video, but it was really easy to install. It only took me around 25 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare a print on this. So first you're going to open the Bambu Studio file that you want to print. I'm going to do this fidget clicker, and then from here you're going to click the just drop down arrow and click slice all. And then click slice. And then once they've both sliced, you're going to go to a plate, and then instead of slice plate, we're going to click the drop down arrow and click export all sliced file. And we're going to export it as a file. I'm going to download it. And then next you're going to go to this website, PlateCycler.chitusystems.com, and you're going to drop your files. So I'm going to add in the file that I just downloaded. And then it's going to show you the plates that you have. So I have 2 plates and it's going to take 2 hours. Once you're happy with this, I'm going to click generate file. And from here, it's just going to give you a 3MF. You're going to open that 3MF. And once you're in, it's going to be sliced and ready to print. And don't worry if things are touching. It's not going to touch when you print it. So from here, you're going to get print plate, and I'll see you when it's done. I think this thing is really cool, and if you want one for your A1 Mini, there's a link to buy one in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Jackson out.